Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. Then you open the charging case and you reconnect these earbuds to your phone. And maybe you will fix this problem with this method. If it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Now open the lid, and at the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press 3 times this connectional button. 1, 2, 3, and now the LED light on the front side starts blinking blue, so it means that it's trying to reset your earbuds, and then it enter to prank mode, so it starts flashing white and red, and right now we have it. Then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on your Bluetooth, and then you will also see these headphones at the device list. Now we need to tap on it and pair. And we did it. Now I have also one more method for you, is to restore Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device and then on Apple device. So on your Android, you need to open Settings and then scroll down. You need to find System. No, sorry, I have it here. Okay, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Reset Options, so click on it. And right here you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click on it and then click Select. But once you did it, you will totally remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. Sorry, not to the Bluetooth. You need to go to the General. So click on it, and then you need to scroll down and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then click Reset, Reset Network Settings, write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But before you did it, you need to know that you will remove all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.